guys, we're gonna be making food
Doon
out of
nag-viral yan sa
Play-Doh.
television kaya nag-leak.
I'm gonna make
Gusto
the
niyang-
bread and you make the
hiwalayan na,
sausage.
kaya nilik.
Yeah, I mean hotdog.
Ang boyfriend daw yung nag-post eh.
They don't understand.
Kaya nga, bakit niya pinost? Kasi iiwan na siya.
They wouldn't
Oh, kasi
understand because
yung
they are
boyfriend,
English.
yung kamay lang yung nakita. Tapos
And
yung
we are
babae yung
Tagalog.
action ng action.
Wait, where's the girl? You stole my.
Kaya gold medalist.
Let me just use my finger.
Gold medalist rin man siya.
Oh, yeah.
Nanalo man
May
siya.
bago din yun, yung volleyball player ngayon.
Oo nga.
Well, you can use this. You can use it like this.
Hindi ko
girl.
maintain naman doon lahat ang mangyayari.
Okay.
Yung maintain na.
Dapat
Oy.
yung lahat eh.
Make. Stop it.
Ito yung bigay sa'yo niya, naman ni Loba.
Can you make the?
Lobat na yung tawag.
Bakit ginagamit pa niya?
Can you make the? This one
Loba to
is
eh.
so perfect.
Lahat kasi pumunta ka dun ng birthday niya.
You can
tsaka
make
ni Loba.
macaroni.
Ano ba to?
No, I don't wanna make them long.
Ang yung babae pig, naka ano na, citizen.
This is Elisha. I'm
Yung babae, kuya.
Katniss.
Resident.
Resident.
Stop.
Visitor lang pala.
No, they know my real name. That's actually not our real
Di
name.
work.
Yeah. That's our nickname.
Kailangan na sila ng 1
That's
year.
not our nickname. That's our fake name. That's my nickname.
Pero dito na yung babae.
Oo.
Well, wanna know
Pero
my nickname?
yung babae,
My nickname is
Bisaya?
Lagay.
Bisaya.
Sayawa.
isa sa
Saan sa Bisaya?
Pa, my nickname is Lagahit, right? Your nickname is Lagahit and my nickname is Lagahit, right?
Nickname.
My nickname ba Lagahit?
Katagday pa si Kuya
it's not
eh.
nickname, middle initial.
Oh, that's my middle initial.
Nakascore.
Your middle initial is Lagahit because your mom is Lagahit.
What about my nickname?
Your nickname is Katniss. Your nickname is not your family name.
Wala ka, nagbibideo. Ano pinag-uusapan ninyo dyan?
Huh?
Alisin nyo nga. Dali siya. Dali siya.
Yeah.
Sila eh.
Tanggalin mo yan. May
Nagpipilay
nag-uusap
lang
nga.
po ng video.
May evidence.
Kaya nga.
Okay. I think this is enough sausages. Ah,
Mag-gold medalist natin.
Delete ng ano nyo. Kay naman diri.
Gold
Dito mo naman.
medalist.
Dito mo na. Dito mo sa kabila.
Nakuha yun.
Kaya nga, yung pinag-usapan nyo.
Oh,
Nakapicture lang.
what? Wait, what about? Wait, let me do the. Oh, girl. And you do the mustard. Mustard and ketchup.
Naka-record na nag-ano sila.
This is red, right? It's a different color. Look. Let's move to another spot. No.
If it was the last.
Sige.
Let's put emojis on our
Evidence
parents'
siya
face.
ng pagkatao.
Yeah. Because I don't want to face reveal. I said to my
Buti
fans
na lang
that
yung kapatid ko.
if I get 1,000 subscribers, I'll face reveal.
Ate ko,
Let's put emojis on our face. Yeah, sure.
tsaka te, kahit dati pa.
Hi guys, we're just making like
Saglit lang. Kumukha ka lang.
food out of Play-Doh. This is especially my Play-Doh because he's in my house. And show We're gonna cut that part that I said.
Sabihin
Yeah.
nila tawag lang ng laman.
Kaya maganda
Diba?
sila ng dalawa nila.
Hey,
Tumagi ka muna.
let me get my. Is this the orange you used?
Mas sa baka nakikita dati na
Yeah.
nasaan ka ni Kai.
Lumakas baka sa
I
ano
think-
gamot mo, te. Gamot mo.
I think this is not a bread. Look, I think this is not a bread. Can you please use this too? This uses. I want to use this. This is actually helpful.
Sinalagdag na top sila na naman kayo
Kayong
dalawa.
dalawa.
Ano?
Well, bye guys. Ready for part 2? No!